Hello there, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today is a very special baking episode. I am going to be making blueberry muffins to celebrate 400 subscribers. I was originally going to do a cake like you would normally with a celebration, but we had blueberries to use up and I was like, I'm not going to let them go to waste, so we're going to make blueberry muffins. Before we start, obviously, thank you so much for 400 subscribers. Oh, I'm so happy. I know like people can be like, oh, 400 isn't even that lot, why are you celebrating? Because I think it's important to celebrate the wins no matter how small. Obviously I won't be doing this for every small milestone. I'll probably do another thank you video or something like that when I hit 1,000 subscribers. But I think I'm just so pleased that 400 people like my videos. That's just so cool. But yeah, so I thought we would bake something together. I don't know, I thought it might be nice. Yeah. First order of business is to obviously get all of the ingredients that I need. The recipe that I'm using will be linked in the description if you want to make your own blueberry muffins. I have to show you something. While I was doing my looking for all the ingredients, I found we had these in the cupboard. Hold on. Multicolored strands. We call these hundreds and thousands in the UK, but well, these are definitely sprinkles, but like the little coloured like flakes of icing are usually called hundreds of thousands. I've never seen them called strands before. Strands is I don't know. Little, of course it's little. Belle, what are you doing in here? No, get down. Don't let the time fool you. It's like 11 o'clock at night. We had a power cut and so I'm trying to set the temperature and our oven never really recovered. I lost the mixing bowl once again, so jug it is. If you're wondering why I'm cooking on the hob, well, it's the clearest counter space we got, so. It says 140 grams of golden caster sugar. This is just normal caster sugar. I can't be bothered to get rid of the rest of the 5 grams. Alright, and then mix in with 100 grams of unsalted butter. This is slightly salted butter, but it's the best we got, so. I am 10 grams short, but I've literally used up all the butter, so it's gonna work. Now we beat them together, so. If I can find the whisk, that is. Bloody hell, where'd she put it? Alright, this recipe calls for 2 large eggs. I'm gonna try not to get the shell in this time. Oh, top tier. Perfect. I could totally be on MasterChef. I think that's about right. I started whisking and immediately got some on the floor, so I gotta go clean that up because I'm an idiot. Okay, I've mixed my wet ingredients. Now it's time for the dry one. So flour and bicarbonate of soda because we don't have baking powder. The cat is trying to get in, but she's not allowed to because I'm trying to make food. $250 grams of plain flour. and then 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to use an actual spoon for this because yeah. Boom. Belle, you cannot come in. And a bit of salt. I could totally be like a food YouTuber. Yeah. Well, no, I couldn't because I'm not very good at baking and cooking yet. But one must persist if one must learn. And we have to fold in the blueberries. And I literally feel like that one meme. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know what that means, so I'm just gonna put them in. But I think that's what that means, to just like putting them in the bowl. So we're gonna do that. I imagine the water won't have like much of a difference. I should probably it's dripping everywhere. I didn't think this through. But yeah, I imagine it won't matter. Right. I don't wanna squash the blueberries. I think that's working. The neighbours are probably judging me, but that's okay. That's why I'm doing this at like 11:30 at night, because it means that no one's awake. Alright, let me get the muffin trays. According to the recipe, it makes 12, which is perfect because 12. And then I also found these. Where were these when I made my friend's cupcakes this one time. And I had to like crudely cut out like these from baking paper, so it's nice to know that we have these. Alright. Okay. Spoon time. Is this good content? Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh crap. But yeah, I'm not normally like this. I have composure, but I'm very tired, so yeah, but normally I'm pretty chill. Alright, I think that's all the goop I can scoop out. This is the best bit of baking, is licking the spoon. That's good. Okay, now we put in the oven. Okay, it's time to... I cleaned this, don't worry. And I cleaned the thing after she had stored on it the first time too. Don't worry. She likes roaming around the kitchen. What was I talking about? Yeah, and now 5 minutes is up. It's time to decrease to 180, which is about there on my oven. And now we wait for 15 to 18 minutes. So fogs up my glasses whenever I bake. Oh, they look so good. Oh, they look so good. I mean, are you kidding? Okay, like the chopstick or skewer thing, and then if it comes out clean, they are baked. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm just going to be able to order all of them just in case. Hey! I did a really good job! Awesome! Oh, I was so worried about them. Oh, but they look... But I mean, they do look really good. Okay, I'm going to let these cool and then come back to you with a taste test. Okay, I think they've cooled down enough. I didn't actually check, but I'm going to try one now. Which one should I consume? That one. I'm still warm, which is good. Dude, it's so good. Like, I'm genuinely shocked, actually. Like, I thought they were going to turn out bad, but it's actually really, really nice. But, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, or at least found it somewhat entertaining. And yeah, I hope if you're new here, you stick around for the future videos. Or if you're returning, it's obviously lovely to see you. Yeah. I hope you have a fantastic day or night. Bye.